So it's 10th July and the day 1 of creator camp, and it's 8:30 in the morning and asan niklan wala hai. We'll quickly have breakfast and there we go. Finally, we left at 8:30 in the morning and रात यार 9 थे and finally sir room में पहुंचे us. Oh, room looks pretty clean now. That's what I got, a goodie bag. See this personalized Sindhionism jacket from YouTube NextUp. YouTube NextUp class of 2017. So I got this goodie bag. Let's check in which I. So this is that VR glass. So I'll show you. Can you guys see? This is NextUp notepad. This is badge, creator badge. Day 1 was a lot of fun. Back-to-back workshops right from the morning till evening. Copyright workshops, channel strategy workshop, and writing workshop SNG comedy, and they were really amazing and we learned a lot. Back-to-back workshops हुआ था, वधिक shoot ना कर सके मैं होते workshops के बीच में, but अदिति party was amazing. YouTube arranged the alumni meet, जेके भी NextUp 2016 में हुआ top 30 creators. जी alumni meet हुई. So class of 2016 and class of 2017, we had an amazing party. So this was a lot of fun, and I'll try कि day 2 थे कुछ interesting मैं vlog करी सका. So I'll keep you guys posted. Till then, bye bye, take care, जय झूलेलाल.